Let's create the pop-in effect. Let me show you how to do it. The first thing you want to do is make sure you import a clean plate background clip. So if I hide this top layer, I have my background clip, and you also want the layer with your subject right above it. For the background, you can import a photo, or what I did, I imported a video. And if the video is not long enough, let's say it just ends halfway or something, you can go to the start of the video, right click, go to time and freeze frame. And now if you drag that, it's going to be the same frame throughout the whole video. So that's what I did. With the top layer selected, we're going to come up to the roto brush button, click it and double click on your footage. Now we are just going to cut out the subject, and it's not going to be perfect every time, so you're just going to have to do little tweaks to make sure it's all lined up how you want it. Once you have it cut out how you want, you're just going to click the spacebar to play, and it's going to cut it out frame by frame. You're going to come over and click the freeze button. Once that's done, you're going to come back up to the composition, and now if we turn off that bottom layer, you can see the cutout. And I'm just going to change the feather of the roto brush. I'm going to go to about 70, and I may also turn the contrast down to just 50 to try to smoothen the edges a little. This is going to be perfectly fine, so we're going to go with this. Now we can turn the background back on. Now before we start the pop-in effect, make sure you have motion blur turned on all of your layers and also on the roto brush. Now let's create the pop-in effect. You're going to click on your top layer, go down to the transform, and wherever you want the pop-in to start, we're going to put a keyframe for the scale, and we're just going to put it at 0. And we are going to come forward a few frames, and now we are going to change the scale to 105 and go forward just a couple frames again and change it back to 100. That's going to create that little bounce at the end. If we play this back, you can see that quick pop-in effect. Now to make it even smoother, we're going to drag and right click on all of the keyframes, go to keyframe assistant and easy ease. Now if we play it back, we have that perfect pop-in effect that we're looking for. Anyways, that's going to be the end of this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials soon. Make sure to check out my editing presets in the link below, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.